Good evening mga kapuso! Full of pride to be back home, ang ating queens na sina Miss Grand International CJ Opiaza at Miss World Asia Krishna Gravides. Very grateful nga raw ang dalawa sa nag-uumapaw na full Filipino support. Makichika kay Lars Santiago.
Hindi napigilan ng ulan ng excitement sa homecoming parade ni Miss Grand International 2024, CJ Opiaza.
My heart is screaming for joy and I'm just so blessed. I'm really, really grateful and happy that we have the first Golden Crown.
Bago ganapin ang parada, nagkaroon muna ng back-to-back media conference si CJ at si Miss World Asia 2025, Krishna Gravides, na sobrang masaya rin sa pag-uwi niya ng title as Miss World Asia 2025.
Full of pride and super happy to be back home. Of course, with this title, I hope that I made the whole country proud. But I was just really enjoying every moment in India and to be back home here, seeing all the support and the love of the Filipinos, like just makes my heart like melt. So kaya ngayon super happy to be here.
Bilang bahagi ng kanilang reign, magiging sobrang abala sina Krishna at CJ sa pagta-travel. Sa ngayon, punong-puno raw ng pasasalamat ang puso ng dalawang queens sa malaki at mainit na suportang ibinibigay sa kanila ng Filipino communities sa India, kung saan nanalo si Krishna, at sa Thailand, kung saan kinoronahan si CJ.
Even before I stepped into India, nag-reach out na talaga sila and they were expressing their support. And when I arrived there, ang daming Filipino community. Andun sila with the big banner, tarpaulin. They were very warm. So when I arrived there, I didn't feel like I was away from home.
Hindi ko talaga in-expect na maraming Pinoy na makakarating. Although I know that there's a lot of Filipinos in Thailand, but also it was so sudden. I know people have prior commitments, prior schedules, but then everybody adjusted. The people just made sure that they'll be there. They messaged me, they want to do a historic, they want to be in that very historic moment.
Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.